Who you ex Dani, Dani, Dani.
Hello everyone, this is Dani from Ask Dani. A question that I have today is from a subscriber that emailed me. The question was, what is the difference between a copyright, patent, and trademark? A lot of times those terms can get confusing. A lot of people don't know when to actually use them. So I'm here to clarify those three things. The first one, a copyright. A copyright protects an author of their original work. So to keep it simple, if you actually have written a book, if you have a blog or newsletter, or even information on your website, something that is actually yours legally, whatever you have written verbatim from your mouth, not saying that the information can't be used from a different source, but the exact work that you have written in those forms, like I said again, a original book that you are the author of, a blog that you are an author of that may be printed. So all of those types of work, the website information, newsletters, things like that, those all can be copywritten. To find out more on how to actually write, it's a sentence that you can actually put to let people know that this item is copywritten by yourself. You could go to copyright.gov and it gives you examples on how to actually write that out on the bottom of your publication. The next item is a patent. A patent protects inventors and other people, such as people that discover things. So when we say invention, if you actually invented, let's say for example, a curling iron that lights up in the dark so you could curl your hair. Those things are protected by a patent. It would be an item that has not been created or invented by someone else. And there are documents that you can actually receive for that to ensure other people that it's registered and that you cannot use the same format or the same device in that way. They would need permission from you to reproduce it or to even use it and use your name. So the patent is definitely important if you have discovered something also. So if you discovered a way on how to actually open up the hair follicle and, get that shampoo to go in and cleanse that scalp, and there's not another product out there like that, you could actually get a patent for that discovery. So it's important to know these terms and when to actually use them. And last but not least is a trademark. A lot of us, we kind of see logos, we see phrases or words that may be attached to businesses. All of those are protected by the trademark. So for example, to make that more clear, if someone was to use the swoosh sign that Nike uses on their sneakers and on their other clothing and things like that, if someone was to use that swoosh sign, they would be in violation of Nike's trademark, which Nike can then sue them for using that. Also, to keep in the same line with Nike, Nike, if someone was to use the term "just do it" by itself or with that swoosh sign, it would be a violation of the trademark also. So it's not just the actual symbol, but it could also be the phrase that goes with that symbol. Another example would be, let's say McDonald's. I'm loving it. The M, the golden arches, the phrase, I'm loving it. So, of course, the M, we all know, is the trademark of McDonald's. it is the actual logo, if you must say. So we know that. But the phrase "I'm loving it" is also part of McDonald's because that is their tagline. So all of you businesses who have a logo, if you have a tagline, a motto of some sort, all of those can be protected by a trademark, which you would have to actually go to whatever office or facility there is in your area to actually get the trademark done. You have to do trademark paperwork. I'm thinking in the state of Maryland, it would be in the downtown area. There's an actual office where you receive all your licensing. So it's there in that same building. But each place is different. So I would definitely find out where all the licenses are done in your profession. And it's usually in that vicinity, somewhere either around it, in the same building, or close by. So I hope I answered those questions. Again, you can receive more information on these topics at copyright.gov. Also, send your questions to the Platinum Gallery at Gmail. Again, don't forget because it is the Platinum Gallery, not Platinum Gallery. So the Platinum Gallery at gmail.com. Send your questions and I will ensure that I will try my best to get those answered. Thank you guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, tag, and share. Don't forget to subscribe, like, tag, and share.